Yeah, that's, I don't know.
Super illegal though.
21. 21?
Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna be wrapping them for Christmas lights. But right now, we're about to head to Home Depot and grab Christmas lights for this car because they might be low on stock. So I was like, you know what? Let's just go grab them for him. Tell me why the hell is the E so expensive? It used to be like 2.1, but now we bumped up to 3.4. He got his right here. And we're about to do the M3. We still don't know if we're going to do them today, but we're still trying to figure out if we're gonna do them. If you guys are planning on doing Christmas lights, I would get his if you guys are worried about the paint. And this is not regular tape, this is wrap paint. And also it's like they're flat, so that's what they're good. If you guys don't want to scratch your paint, it doesn't scratch up your paint, but people say it does. I've been doing that in my car. You know, people just say, oh, it scratches the paint. We checked, there's only 2 left. And then we asked, they said there is 10, there should be 10. But now that I'm thinking, it's not out here, so it could possibly be in the back. But she's just double checking right now, and hopefully we find them, because we need 7. We don't need like 2, 4, 5. We need 7 of them. But hopefully we get them so we'd be able to do the cars done, and we don't take how long, because worst case, we'd have to drive like 40 minutes out to get other ones, because that's what I did. So we just got 2. They didn't have the other ones, but we're gonna probably head to Tracy. Hopefully they have them in Tracy. But I was like, you know, just get these in case, because you don't want to drive all the way out there, you know, if they might not have them, you know. Look how crazy this is at. It's not even at night, but there's still some light. But this is actually crazy. Imagine this right here and the M4. The icons are tough. Finally found all of them right here. So I think what he might just go return the ones that we already bought at the other store, but we can, I think, return at every single Home Depot. Well, actually, no, never mind, he's not returning anything. Right now it's 10:29 p.m. we just started, like, I would say 15 minutes ago, and so far this is what we got done right here. This is what we got done. Like, we barely have anything done, but I hope we'd be able to get it done by today. I doubt we are, but you know, if we could, then that's good. But yeah, let me pick you guys up once we're done with the trunk, and hopefully it would be before 12. Hopefully it would be before 12, so let me pick you guys up in there. So this is what we got done so far. I think we're probably gonna call that a night, honestly. I mean, honestly, we started late and like 10:30, and now it's like almost 1. But we're probably gonna finish the rest off later tomorrow. Well, 8 a.m. tomorrow, hopefully. And yeah, I'll probably pick you guys up at 8 a.m.
Laser. GPS connected.
It's the next day. Right now it's almost 11. I'm kind of pissed. We could have gotten a lot of stuff done, but we're kind of running into some issues with my car. Well, not really issues, but the coolant level is really low. It's like terrible. It's really low. So we're gonna fill it up right now. He's gonna go grab the coolant from there, and hopefully we'd be I was like, no wonder why, you know, sometimes it doesn't go, you know, the regular temps. No, it like doesn't go over 250, or it doesn't even hit 250. So we used too much coolant right here. So we thought, I was like, you know what's smart? Let's suck it up and spit it out from that right there. And I think yeah, I think he accidentally drank some coolant. Now what I think we're trying to do is we're gonna go from here. We're gonna actually plug in the new one right here that we have right here. We're gonna go right here, then kind of go like S's all the way to the top, because I don't think we're gonna have enough room. We're not gonna have enough room for like 3 lines, because it's not, you know, thick enough. But yeah, we're gonna do that right now. We're still waiting on my other friend to come on in, so he can help us out, so we can get this done faster and we can start on mine. Bro, I was not expecting them to finish this that fast. I literally went home, got lunch for my family, then came back, then I found out all this was done. We still have the back bumper. They don't have enough wrap, so I think we're gonna get my other friend's wrap from his other car, and we'll be able to put it on this car. But the problem is, this car is white and his car is not a gray, so it might be weird, but I don't know. We're still trying to figure everything out. Actually, it looks fucking insane. Everyone's actually staring right now. Look. Oh my god, so adorable. No, this actually looks crazy. Now I feel like this bright, no, I mean these are different, but This is sick. I can't wait to, bro. I genuinely can't wait till I do the M4. Guys, do you guys think we can do the M4 tonight? Like finish it off?
That's a tomorrow thing, chat.
Yeah. Yeah, GG's. It's probably gonna be like next week, then it's gonna be next week, then a week after that. Oh no. Oh no.
I'm rolling up my window.
Oh, don't roll your window, that's so suspicious. Yeah, there's a cop right here. Bro, he's making it so suspicious, I don't understand. Oh. Oh. Yeah, that's, I don't know. Got all this, yeah. Yeah, GG's. We're cooked.
Super illegal though.
21.
This?
Thanks, bud. You guys all live in Mel-
Yeah.
Sir.
Yeah, I got it.
You guys know these people back here too?
Yeah,
we're
friends. Nyla, this is some sick scenery. That's crazy. Wait, that's actually dope. That's actually sick.
I honestly don't know. We've taken pictures here before, so. I'm not saying that you haven't. I'm just telling you that you guys can't do that. You should get authorization to be part of this line. No one's getting tickets or anything like that. Hey, John, I was just curious. Just an advisement, okay? Okay. Yeah. Whose two cars are these? The actual ROs.
Yeah, that's actually insane. Yeah. Yeah, this is kind of crazy. This wasn't like kind of expected, but you know, I guess. But oh well, you know, I didn't expect that we're gonna end the night here, but he got my idea over there. But I guess we gotta see. We gotta find out if we're cooked or not. But yeah, then we're gonna head to a meet that we low-key gotta go to. I don't have Christmas lights in my car, but they have on theirs, which kind of sucks, but you know what, I'm gonna get mine next week, so you know, no biggie. But yeah, so you guys stay tuned to the meet, and we're probably just gonna chill for a bit, wait for them to put gas, and then we're probably gonna be out. So let me get you guys once everything is done and we're ready to go. We better pass some cops right here. I hope they're chill about it. They're down there. Oh no! Oh no!
Hey, you recording that?
They're recording me. Then all of a sudden, they're just running at us. I'm not even joking. I won't be shocked.
Hey,
He's freaking out back there. But I won't be shocked if they just pop a U-turn and they just come on in me. No, pause. Come on, just pull us over. But I hope they don't, because I don't want him to get a ticket because he's my best friend. But because I'm lonely. We just got to the meet. Honestly, we were kind of grabbing attention, but there's this one right here. This is actually low-key tough. I'm not even joking. I don't know. I don't know why I thought it was a Lotus for a second, but it's a Ferrari. It's actually tough. Just say there's like Vipers down there. I'm gonna actually go down there real quick. Tough. You got right there, the G80, the Viper. The Viper gotta be top tier. I'm not even joking. But I think right now we might do some flicks. I'm not sure, but I don't know why it's too dark. It's not catching me. But we might do some flicks, and then we gotta figure everything out. And then let me get back to you guys. Right now we're at the second spot, which is at In-N-Out. And we got the GT500. We got another GT, and we got my M4. You know, somebody asked, was like, "Yo, what you got done to it?" And I was like, you know, just a flame tune. That it was sick. But you know, I had to show off some flames. But right now, we got some sick cars. We had some cars pull up, but we got the M3, we got the Ferrari, and I don't know where the other guy's car at. Oh yeah, it's down there, but his like kind of doesn't like let's say you turn off your car, it just turns off. Like it's not like the M3 where you turn it off and stays on. But yeah, it's sick. I think more cars are gonna pull up. We got this E63. That's definitely a car I want to have. I think that's a Type R. But anyways, let me get you guys in a bit. We're probably gonna go inside, put it in a little order. You know, we cutting right now. I can't have too much, but we had some Supras pull up. I think they're just parking down there. hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did while editing the video. And I just want to thank you guys for watching all the way. And it's your boy Dextro, and I'm out.